We're following breaking news. Dawnta Harris has been found guilty in the murder of Baltimore County Police Officer Amy Caprio.
Devin Bartolotta is outside the courthouse with the latest. Devin.
That's right, Lynn and Nicole. He has been found guilty of felony murder, 1 count of burglary and theft in this case. That verdict came down just within the last half hour after a 6-day trial. Yesterday, closing arguments were read, and the jury has been deliberating since yesterday at lunchtime. Amy Caprio's family just came out a little bit ago with the state's attorney, and they said that this doesn't exactly bring closure to them because this is something they live every day.
It's not really an end. We will live with this traumatic event in our lives. We wake up in the morning, we live it every day, and it's not something that it's going to go away. It's not like a car that gets damaged and you move on to a new car. So we live with it.
All right, Scott.
Now, when the verdict was read in the courtroom, one member of Harris's family screamed and ran out of the courtroom crying. Shortly after, Harris put his head in his hands and then put his head down on the table and was audibly crying. His attorneys say they knew that this was going to be a fight and they fought the whole way through. Here's a little bit on what they had to say about Harris's state of mind this afternoon.
He's not in good shape. You know, he's not in good shape. This kid he's been in a whirlwind the whole time. So, you know, but he'll have to deal with it.
He's 17 years old today. He just wept. He wept. From the time that the verdict was read until the time that I left him. He's extremely remorseful. Unfortunately, you can't turn back the clock on situations such as this. Today's one day has turned into day one. For some, it's healing. For others, it is being penalized for some wrong that the jury has found.
Now again, Dawnta Harris has been found guilty on 1 count of burglary, 1 count of theft, and on a felony murder charge in the death of Officer Amy Caprio, who was killed just about 11 months ago in a tragic accident in Baltimore County. Sentencing right now is set for July 23rd. However, Harris's attorneys do say they plan to file an appeal. We'll have much more for you coming up tonight at 4, 5, and 6. Back to you.